Question 10. A group of 60 students enter a general knowledge competition. The table shows the distribution of their scores. Compute the cumulative frequency table. Remember, cumulative frequency, it's like accumulated. It's basically a running total of how many there have been so far. So between 0 and 20, there is 5. Less than 40, you've got the 5 between the 0 and 20, plus another 10, which is 15. Less than 60, you've got the 15 that you've had so far, plus the 19 there, so that gives me 34. Here I've got another 14 plus that 34 gives me 48, and another 12 gives me 60. That's good because I wanted an answer of 60 because there is 60 students. Okay, draw a cumulative frequency graph to represent this. Remember, you draw these at the end of the of this bit here, so I want the 20, not like halfway the 10 like it is for frequency diagrams. Alright, so 20 and 5, and again, this is easier for you to do on paper because the board will not be synced quite right, so yeah, somewhere around there. 40 goes with 15, so 40 and 15 is around about there. 60 with 34. Make sure when you're doing this, just watch your scale because up the side, each little square is worth 2, not 1. 80 goes with 48. Again, you can do this a lot easier than I can. And 100 goes with 16. Which is around about there. You can join them, and you can do it with a smooth curve if you want, but you will get all of the marks for doing it dot to dot, and that is loads easier than having to do a smooth curve. And it should, as mine almost does, go through 0, 0, like so. Okay, students scoring more than 75 won themselves a prize. Use the graph to estimate the number of students who won a prize. Alright, so we're looking for people that scored more than 70. 70 is halfway between 60 and 80, so go halfway again to find your 75. You'll find it sort of between two squares, and again, yours will be more accurate than mine. Going across and going there. Again, you can see my line's not straight, but it's going to be around about the 42 mark for me there. We want the ones that scored more than that, so we wanted the 18 that there is above that. Because my diagram's not particularly accurate, I'm just going to really quickly check the mark scheme to see what they had for that one. Where am I? They've got 14 to 60 is the range that they've got for their answer. Okay, so anything between 14 and 16. So you can see that I am absolutely rubbish at doing that. So I'm just going to change that. So you actually want answers of 14 to 16 because yours are much more accurate using your graphs.